The City of Adel has used an independent agency as their insurance consultant for more than 10 years. Chad Bird, city administrator, shared how reform might impact the city and the uncertainty they will encounter.
We don't know what those impacts are going to be. It's a very complicated maze that the federal government has set for small businesses, and we consider the city a small business in that front. And that's where I think it's extremely important to have experts like GBL for us to be able to help us navigate through that. I think one of the things that GBL brings to the table for us is just that they're experts in the field and that they provide that professional network. They are up on the latest trends, national and state legislation, changes to state law regarding healthcare, and they bring that level of expertise that we can't all, as city staff, we're involved in so many different things, we can't know everything there is to know about healthcare, so we're very appreciative of the efforts that GBL can bring.
For Chad, the most important reason to work with independent agents is to receive impartial guidance and suggestions based on years of experience.
Somebody providing that third-party, unbiased information. There are so many options out there, and we are going through kind of a requote and a reanalysis of our policies right now, and GBL has been wonderful to bring different options to the table. Even going from making the recommendation from traditional healthcare to an HSA type program. GBL's experience and in working with their other clients, the information they've been able to bring has been very valuable for our city council and for our employees to work through what those types of changes mean. And I just have a hard time seeing a government agency, let alone somebody who's maybe more involved, being as unbiased and third party as GBL has been for us. Anytime the government tries to get involved in those types of things, they tend to be more difficult to work with just because there's more bureaucracy, more forms to fill out. We have extensive experience in Adel with FEMA and the EPA based on two programs that we've been working on the last couple of years. And although we work well, we have good relationships with those organizations, it's very cumbersome. And I would expect that if the government gets into the healthcare industry, that process would be the same. It'd be very cumbersome, and there would be a lot of steps that would be unnecessary.